Common chatbot marketing mistakes to avoid. We're not going to pull any punches here. Chatbots are a great marketing strategy, but many people make mistakes when implementing them. You need to know what the most common chatbot mistakes are so that you can avoid them. As we said in the last video, you need to put in some work to get the best results with chatbot marketing. 1. No chatbot strategy. Unfortunately, there have been a number of business owners that have invested in chatbot technology without creating goals and a plan for the implementation. Unless you pay someone to set up your chatbots for you, not a good idea, as this will be expensive and they are not going to know your business like you do. You will have to do the groundwork. You need to be clear on what you want your chatbots to achieve and how they will achieve it. If you are not clear on this, then you are very unlikely to end up with chatbots that will take your business to the next level. Failing to come up with a clear strategy and plan for implementing chatbots is the #1 reason why they fail in a business. You can actually cause your customers to go elsewhere if you implement a half-hearted chatbot strategy. So don't do this. 2. Creating spam chatbots. The last thing that you want is for your chatbot to be perceived as some form of spam by your customers. Some people make their chatbots too pushy and end up driving potential customers away rather than increasing their conversions. Nobody wants to see several unsolicited messages from a chatbot that are trying to push them to check out a product or service. You need to plan your messages carefully and put the emphasis on being helpful rather than being pushy. You do not want your chatbot to do all of the talking. If, after initiating a conversation with a chatbot, your customers receive a stream of messages that are happening so fast they can't even read them, then they will not want to use it anymore. 3. Chatbot does not provide the right information. A user will typically engage with a chatbot because they believe that it is the fastest way for them to learn about your products and services. They want their questions answered before they are willing to make a purchase. If your chatbot responds with unrelated information or vague answers, then it is highly likely that the user will not buy your product or service. Your chatbot needs to provide relevant details in a quality way that will satisfy your customers. Don't make the mistake of not providing the information that your customers are looking for. 4. Chatbot has no personality. It takes thought and effort to set up a chatbot that has a personality. If you choose the easy option here, you can end up with a chatbot that is completely devoid of any kind of personality. The customer will then experience a very monotone response when they engage with your chatbot. We have already advised you to tell your customers that they are interacting with a chatbot, so it is worth going the extra mile to make your chatbot friendly and as human-like as you can. If you don't do this, then you can bet your last penny that your competitors will. 5. Chatbot has no name. There are already thousands of chatbots online. A lot of people make the mistake of not giving their chatbot a memorable name. With some chatbot programs, there will be a generic name created if you do not provide a name yourself. It should not be too difficult for you to come up with a name for your chatbot, which is easy to spell, pronounce, and is memorable for your customers. You could create a name that is related to your brand, for example. Nameless or generically named chatbots are a mistake that you can easily avoid. 6. Not testing your chatbot. You might find this difficult to believe, but many business owners fail to test their chatbots before they make them live. We tested a number of chatbots before creating this training and found many of them produced errors and just didn't work properly. Why would you invest in chatbot technology and then spend time and effort setting your chatbots up without fully testing them before making them live? There may be a number of reasons why businesses do this, such as lack of time. This is no excuse. Make sure that you fully test any chatbot that you set up before going live with it. Some people may think that with the NLP technology in their chatbot software that it will work everything out by itself. This does not work in practice, as there are too many variables for the learning software to handle when it is just starting out. By fully testing your chatbots, you can iron out any problems and make any necessary additions. Don't subject your users to untested chatbots. 7. Not monitoring your chatbots. Modern chatbot technology is impressive, and it is improving all of the time, but it is never going to be as intelligent as a human. You need to monitor how well or poorly your chatbots are doing, as there may be problems that you didn't anticipate. The success and effectiveness of your chatbots can be measured using different metrics. Your chatbot program should provide you with these metrics or the ability to set them up. You could have metrics for customer satisfaction, completion rates, and more. By analyzing the performance of your chatbots, you can identify areas for improvement, which will definitely be there, especially at the start. 8. Nobody responsible for your chatbots. Once your chatbots are live, who's going to take responsibility for them? It is no use having comprehensive chatbot metrics if nobody is going to look at them. Somebody needs to take responsibility for the performance of your chatbots and implementing fixes and adding new content, etc. No matter how much work you put in setting up your chatbots, you will not be able to anticipate everything. When a person has the responsibility for your chatbots, in a short time, they will know what to look for when it comes to things not quite working as well as they should. 9. No dedicated chatbot page. If you do not create a specific page on your website for your chatbot, then you will be missing out on a good opportunity. A dedicated page will help your customers get to know your chatbot and will help to drive more traffic to it. Are you going to implement a chatbot to answer customer service inquiries? You should set up a dedicated page for this. If you want to use more than one chatbot for your business, then you do not want them all appearing on the same page. This will confuse your visitors for sure. 10. Pretending your chatbot is human. We have mentioned this a couple of times before, and we will discuss it here again. There are several examples of chatbots used by businesses where they pretend that there are humans involved in the process. Don't do this. The minute that your visitors know that you are trying to trick them, you will lose trust with them. It's just not worth it. In the next video, we will discuss what to look for with chatbot platforms.